Hey everybody, Ian Newton, the vehicle technology guy. Today I'm coming to you, I'm in a 2017 Lexus RX350. I'm going to talk to you about voice commands. I did get a call today. Somebody was traveling. They're having an issue with their voice commands. Basically saying that it wasn't working properly. There are several reasons that the voice command might not be working properly. Enunciation, road noise, cabin noise, outside noise as far as like wind, if there's a window down. There's a lot of things that could be going on. Our vehicles in the Lexus world are equipped with voice train. You can actually train your voice. It listens. If you have an accent, if you might not speak clearly, it has you say several phrases so you can train your voice to the car to where it knows it's you. I'm going to show you that today, and also properly show you how to use the voice command. There are things that need to happen in sequence for it to understand you correctly. If not, you'll get lost in the land of pardon. Anyway, here's the video. I'm going to go to the screen and show you some things. So folks, on the left hand side of your steering wheel, there is a voice command button right here. When you push that voice command button,
please say a category name. Voice recognition has been canceled.
So you hear, please say a category name, and then it's followed up with a beep. The beep is actually the icon on the screen highlighting. That is when you want to start talking. Not before the beep, but after the beep. Also, with this button, pushing it,
please say a category name.
Pushing and holding,
voice recognition has been canceled.
Cancels that voice recognition. That is how you activate the voice recognition. So we're going to start by using the remote touch feature. This is a feature right here. People call it a mouse. In the Lexus world, we call it remote touch. You've got your map button, you've got your back button, you've got your menu button. We're going to push menu. When we push menu, it goes to a different screen. Now, in using that, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. You see all your menu options. You see all your menu options. I'm going to use that remote touch, or mouse as some people want to call it. I'm going to go to setup. And in the setup menu, I go to voice. And hit enter. Now in the voice menu, I'm going to go down one sub-menu and then go to voice train, or train voice recognition. I'm going to go to train voice recognition. And it gives you a little disclaimer there. And it lets you know voice recognition training is a feature that will help tune the voice recognition system to better understand your voice. So basically it's going to give me 10 phrases. After each beep, please read back the phrase on the screen. So it's recommending that, like I said, this is done with minimal background noise. So therefore, there's no interference.
Please say the phrase, reserve a table at 8 p.m. for 4 people at Horseback Steakhouse.
Reserve a table at 8 p.m. for 4 people at Horseback Steakhouse.
Please say the phrase, would you like to go to lunch tomorrow for your birthday?
Would you like to go to lunch tomorrow for your birthday?
Please say the phrase, dial 425-968-7903.
425-968.
Pardon?
There's your pardon. Dial.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Dial 425-968-7903.
Please say the phrase, "Show what songs I have" by the artist Josh Washington.
Show what songs I have by the artist Josh Washington.
Please say the phrase, "Play all my music in the rock genre."
Play all my music in the rock genre.
Please say the phrase, "Listen to FM 107.7.
Listen to FM 107.7.
Please say the phrase, "Add a new house number to an address."
Add a new house number to an address.
Please say the phrase, "Select this radio station preset."
Select this radio station preset.
Please say the phrase, "Choose a city center destination as a new stopover on my route."
Choose a city center destination as a new stopover on my route.
Please say the phrase, "Can you go to the previous item?"
Can you go to the previous item?
Voice recognition training complete.
So it's complete. As you saw in that demonstration there, I didn't quite say what I was supposed to, and it said pardon. It prompted me back. I did have to wait for the little icon to light up. As you see when I push the voice command button.
Please say a category name.
Help.
Help. This is the main menu. To skip the voice prompts, push the talk switch at any time. You can say a category name such as navigation or phone. To see the shortcut commands, say shortcut menu. All shortcut commands are available on this screen. To cancel voice recognition, please push and hold the talk switch. Voice recognition has been canceled.
I'm going to push the voice command and enter a destination.
Please say a category name.
Address search.
Enter an address. Please say the full address.
825 Norwalk Street, Greensboro, North Carolina.
825 Norwalk Street, Greensboro, North Carolina. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So that is one of the commands you can use, enter an address.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
You can also ask things like,
Please say a category name.
find nearby gas station.
Find gas. Please say the list number.
Number 2.
Number 2. Is this correct?
And I'm just going to cancel, but that's another thing. You can find retail outlets.
Please say a category name.
Find Dillard's.
Find Dillard's. Please say the list number. Voice recognition has been canceled.
So you can find a list of voice commands. That's how you train your voice. That is how you enter a destination. There are many points of interest that you can ask the car to find, and it will find them in the menu. So that sums up voice commands. It's a broad spectrum as far as what you can say, what you can ask. Just wanted to kind of show how that works. Remember, push the voice button, wait for the beep, enunciate clearly, make sure you have minimal cabin noise or road noise, such as wind maybe coming through an open window. Doesn't like to hear other voices or kids or anything, barking dogs. Anyway, it doesn't like to hear other things other than one voice because it does confuse it, and then you get lost in the land of pardon. I hope that's been informative for you today. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Boom. And also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, push on down there where that subscribe button is and hit that button. Again, I am the technology guy. Just wanted to do that video. I hope it's helpful. Again, have a great day. Make it a great day. Thank you.